Consider the graph of f below. Which of the following is a point on the graph of f inverse of x? Okay. So if a point is on f inverse, that means that if you reverse the coordinates, that point should be on f, right? So if -1, -3 is on f inverse, then -3, -1 is on f. So let's check. -3, 1, 2, 3, -1, not on f. Okay, so that is not on f inverse. Okay, so let's check -1, yeah, we're gonna check -1, -3. So if I go left 1, down 3, I do land on f. So that point right there. Okay, so since -1, -3 is on f, -3, -1 must be on f inverse. So option B. We can check the rest just to be sure. So let's check 3, 1. Nope, not on f, right? 3, 1 is right there. It's not on f. And 1, 3 is right there. It's not on f. So B is the answer.